to Everyday 3D Prints. So, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 everyday 3D prints, like stuff that you can use every day in your life for 3D prints, like say a coat hanger or like a pencil holder, all those things, but you can 3D print them. Right now I'm 3D printing something. So if you guys don't know how a 3D printer works, it takes a spool of plastic and it puts it through this hot nozzle and melts it, and the computer will tell it how to make it. So right now I'm 3D printing something, as you guys can see. So let's go to my first everyday 3D print. For our first everyday 3D print, we have this question block. It is holding all your Mario, Minecraft, any video game cartridge in the Nintendo Switch. So that will hold all your games. It can hold 6 cartridges in one time. It's very simple. There is a top for this, but I didn't 3D print it because it will be easier to pull out without taking off the top. So let's go to the next everyday 3D print. Second everyday 3D print, it's a phone holder. So take your phone and place it on, and it'll hold your phone for you. And then also, if you want to have it charged, flip it around, and you can just plug it in, and it'll hold your phone for you. Now let's go to this third everyday 3D print. We have the light case. It can hold your phone or your light. This was my old one. It has a crack in it, it's all dirty, and I did not want it. So I 3D printed a Lego one. I can stick Legos onto it. So these are normal Lego bricks. I did not 3D print them. So you can just stick them on, and it works really good. So let's go to our fourth everyday 3D print. For our fourth everyday 3D print, we have the DK holder. So there's a hole in it, and it says DK in it, or on it. And it can hold pencils, and hold markers, and it can hold a lot of stuff. So like even Lego bricks. So I'm using this. I 3D printed this for my sister because this is hers. So you can use it. And yeah, let's go to our fifth everyday 3D print. Fifth everyday 3D print, it is cookie cutters. They work on pancakes as well. So for me, I 3D printed Mario. My sisters wanted one too, so I 3D printed them too. So this is my other sister's, and it's Pinkie Pie. For my second sister, it's Minnie Mouse. Really good. And bye.